Oh, hi guys. I'm a new YouTuber. Cool. Imperfect Hop Man. Imperfect Hop Man. Hop Man, not hot man. You guys will get it. But we are playing Pixel Gun 3D. The best game in the universe. Okay. So, I have to go upstairs for more privacy because they're going to think I'm talking to myself. Which I am, actually. I'm talking to you guys, but it makes it seem like I'm talking to my phone. That sucks. So, I'm gonna just get ready. And here is Pixel Gun 3D. Pixel Gun 3D with the Call of Duty Black Ops 2 music. Which is so awesome. Okay. So, let's do this. Let's play. Oh, I'm excited. I'm gonna use it. So, literally new. So my favorite game on this is freaking Capture a Flag. Where's my map? Where is my map at Capture a Flag? My map is gone. No! The new update took out my map. Where is my map? My map? Where is it? That's it. No, wait, no. It's right there. It's destroyed Megalopolis. Right there. Beautiful. It's this. Destroyed Megalopolis. This is beautiful. So, I want that prototype so bad. It's a nice gun. A prototype. Just one-shot people right in their face. It's awesome. So, I'm in my kitchen right now. Let's check out my daily post. So you guys have the Tuesday. On the face. Beautiful. Wait, I forgot what kind of map I actually chose. It's just Capture. No, it's Team Deathmatch. My friend up there has a prototype. My teammate. Bro, stop trying to chop me up with an axe, man. Calm down. Get down. Get down. Break yourself, fool. How did he kill me? Like, he was nowhere near me with that melee weapon. Oh, now I'm shooting space off. That's why he died. Okay. Oh my god, it's a turret! Turret! What does he have? He had heat. Oh my god. Okay, so we got victory. We got 2 kills. That sucks. At least I got coins. I only got 1 coin. Okay, guys. What happened? Guys, I don't know what happened. But, okay, guys. This is my first video on YouTube. And I'm gonna make another one tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow. And always hop a lot. It's my saying. See ya.